It's a T Spilling TV. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Today we having a spiral ham, you guys. Small spiral ham, the cut one. It's not big at all. It was like 12.99. 12. It was like 12, 20, like 12.22. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, but it was 12.22. And it's just a small spiral ham. It's already cut. Only thing you have to do is only thing you have to do is just wrap it up in some lemon foil because it's already cooked. I don't think it needs just be warmed up. And put in some lemon foil and put your, you can put cherries on there. You can put, dress it up the way you like it. I'm just putting pineapples on mine, and I'm gonna dress mine up just as pineapples, and y'all will definitely see it on the next video, you guys. So it's gonna be a second part to this video. But this is spiral ham right here. This is spiral ham. Yeah, this is the spiral ham. So it's just a small one. And this is how it looks when it come out the pack. The foil that it came out of. This is how it looks. It's already cut in slices and everything. Got it. You can see the seasonings on there and everything. So this is how it looks. The half one. So you guys, on the next video, you guys, y'all will be seeing me putting this in the oven and then dressing it with just pineapples. And yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Now, this is the way the spiral ham looking right now. I'm just gonna just put it in the oven because basically it's already cooked. And it's just a half ham. And we also gonna dress it with the we're gonna put some drizzles on here. And we're gonna put some pineapples on here as well. So it's just honey, sugar, all of that. Just got it going all over it will. Okay. So that is it on that. Okay. So we got our pineapples. These kinds I got. This is the kind I got. Kroger, the Kroger brand. So y'all know what kind I got. You can get whatever type of brand that you like. You can get whatever type of brand that you like. Now I also wash my hands as well, you guys. My hands are clean. My hands are clean. Even though it's a little ham, you guys, you can still dress it up. I just didn't get no I just didn't get no cherry. That's kind of where we going with this one. This one is like that. And make it do what it do. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all this ham. Okay. This. Okay. This is what she looking like. This is what she looking like, y'all. Do y'all see that spiral? Okay, girl. Do y'all see that? Don't it look good? Good. That look good, y'all. Yes. So this is what your girl T Spilling be doing over here. This is what T Spilling TV be doing over here. You can make anything work. Okay? You can make anything work. Make it work. Make it work. Make it drop it, drop it, drop it down. Make it work. You gotta make it work, y'all. Okay? And I put y'all see me put the honey on there and all of that. I drizzle some honey on there. I drizzle that honey on there, y'all. Yes. Y'all, this is delicious. Okay? It's gonna be delicious. This is gonna be delicious, you guys. Then I'm also gonna pour some of this juice right here on top of here as well. And pour down in there. Pour some of that down up in there. And then we're gonna close this up. We're gonna we're gonna let this we're gonna let this let me I'm gonna let y'all see a little glimpse of this. Don't that look good, good? Mm-hmm. That's that spiral, baby. So yes. So that is what we doing, you guys. That is what we have today. This spiral ham, you guys, going in for 45 minutes on 350 degrees oven. You want to already preheat your oven already on 350 or 450, one of the two. And then you want to also have it for 45 minutes. Have it in there for 45 minutes. Then you can come back and glaze it back after that 45. Yeah, after that 45 minutes, you can come and braise it back up, blaze it back up, however you want to say it. Like put your glaze back on there. Come back in and put it back on there, and then put it back in the oven for a little, probably about another 10 minutes or so, something like that. And then yeah. Oh, that is what I'm doing here. That's all we doing is just cooking it for a little bit because it's already cooked. That's all we doing. My oven is already preheated on yeah, it's already preheated. So that is how it's wrapped, y'all. That is how it's wrapped. It's wrapped on up. I just put it in my little pan right there. You know. Okay. So we got it from the oven was preheated to 350 and for 45 minutes. For 45 minutes, you guys, for 45 minutes. That is where we going with this. So, cause they don't take that long. They don't take that long at all. But yes, y'all, yes, 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 yes. This we are back. It's been 45 minutes, you guys. This is the spiral ham. This is the second part of the spiral ham, you guys. I showed y'all the first part, you know, of me taking out the wrap and all of that. And this is the finished cook of the spiral ham, you guys. This is the finished cook of it. Yes. Ooh, don't you look good? Ain't they look good, good? This they look good, Lord. Okay. So we're gonna take a bite of this. Look at the fork. Look at the fork. You take a piece off of here. Okay. Not too much. A little piece right here. Still a little the steam coming off of it. Mmm. Mm mm mm. Y'all. Mm 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 mm. That is a good piece of ham. Okay. It got that savory taste. Um, the glaze that I put on there is super good. Um, it got a little bit of softness going on, but it all goes along with the glaze that I put on there. And I also used a packed glaze that came with it. Now, when I make it, the way I make the glaze, it tastes better than the pack glaze that come with the ham. It really, really does. But it still tastes amazing though. I thought it was gonna, wasn't gonna be right. Okay, but it turned out amazing, amazing. You guys, it turned out amazing. I like the layers in here. I like the layers, you guys. You ain't gotta do no cutting. It's already cut. That's why I like the spiral ham. On that note, you guys, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe and comment. Hit the notification bell so y'all can be notified every time your girl T Spilling is coming with a live or a video, you guys.